Welcome to this very quick tutorial. Today I want to demonstrate a cool and simple procedural modeling technique with the screw modifier. To start off, we add in a bezier curve. You can delete the first vertex since we only need one. Rotate it 90 degrees in front view and scale it down. I prefer to switch the handle type to automatic by using the shortcut V. Now we can start extruding. To do so, hold down the Ctrl key and right click wherever you want to place the next vertex. If you want to go really fancy, you can use the draw tool to create the curve. This is even better if you have a graphics tablet or a touchscreen. The drawing tool somehow doesn't place the curve in the middle, so we have to quickly fix this manually. This curve is going to be the outline of our object. Now we can add the screw modifier. As you can see, this spins the outline we created 360 degrees around the origin and creates this nice wine glass. You can increase the resolution by changing the number of steps for the viewport and rendering. The best thing about this technique is that you can always go back into edit mode and make adjustments on the curve. This technique can be used for a lot of different objects. Here are a few more ideas I came up with. A simple chess figure, a column, plates and bowls, another wine glass, and some vases. That's it for this tutorial. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any further questions or feedback on this video. I'm Nick from Blender Daily. See you in the next one.